Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to stop or pause active promotion in your TikTok ad manager on your phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile. The next thing you want to do is to select the particular campaign or promotion that you want to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and use this particular promotion as an example. So click on it. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you see end promotion. Go ahead and click on end promotion. And this is going to pump up. Are you sure you want to end promotion? This action cannot be reversed or spent budget will be refunded to your promote account or TikTok coin balance. If you pay with coin, use coupon could be credited for your next order, but use coupon cannot be refunded or used. So once you're next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on end promotion, and with that the particular promotion will end and the refund of the money will be back to your ad account balance in TikTok. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to run TikTok ad on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.